Today's combined graduation parade is historic because despite severe COVID constraint placed upon the training infrastructure, you all have succeeded in completing your training, and that too within the stipulated period. In fact, the Air Force Academy has flown over 20,500 hours over the last 1 year, highest ever in our history during this period. My special compliments on achieving this milestone and implementing significant enhancements in our training curriculum. Indeed, this day is a great testament to the grit and determination shown by each one of you, as well as to the human contribution by the instructors. I take this opportunity to commend the efforts put in by all our training establishments and the faculty for guiding, mentoring, and teaching not only the fundamentals of a military leader, but also instilling in you the IAF's core value of mission, integrity, and excellence. Living by these core values and preserving our glorious tradition through selflessness and sacrifice will be your sacred duty from this day on. To all these graduating officers, I have this to say. In a short while from now, you will all take your first steps into the IAF as commissioned officers. As you do so, it is essential for you to know where you are headed and the huge responsibilities that will come to rest on your young shoulders. IAF is undergoing a monumental transformation. Rapid infusion of niche technologies and combat power in every facet of our operations has never been as intense as it is now. This is primarily because of the unprecedented and rapidly evolving security challenges that we face, coupled with the rising geopolitical uncertainty in our neighborhood and beyond. It's also essential for all of you to bear in mind that as future leaders, you will stand shoulder to shoulder with your comrades in olive greens and whites and prosecute integrated operations. You will be an integral part of this important transitions in the years ahead. Before I conclude, once again, I congratulate the newly commissioned officers for your achievements. And as you grow in your career, you must face each challenge with determination and courage. Conduct yourself with dignity and honor and aim for the highest professional standards. Lead by personal example and uphold the ethos and culture of the IAF, always and every time. Jai Hind.